Good morning, friends, and welcome from sharetrading.school.com once again. Today, 1st December 2016. Nifty daily chart analysis first we will see, and then we'll proceed with the intraday formation. Now, if you remember in our last videos, we have talked about resistance of 100 EMA, and that was actually around 8,226 at this moment. In last seminar when we had discussed, actually that time moving average was around 8,236, that level we were discussing, and around that only we have tested a resistance because price due to the price moment moving average has just displaced from 36 to 26, but that yesterday or day before yesterday that was placed around 8,236 level. Yeah, indeed, we have tested a resistance around that 8,234 is rested is high, but closing is below 8,226. That is 8,224 is our closing. So we have just tested 20 EMA. That resistance of 20 EMA which we were expecting, we have achieved. If you remember, we have shared this sheet with you, and at this moment we are around 8,236. So we have achieved first resistance, and 150 which we were talking about, that is already crossed. Now 8,236 has actually crossed. Now next resistance we will quickly discuss. As per this daily chart, we can understand that now there is a resistance around this level 8,420. If you see that this is a swing low, and that swing low and a price accumulation and moving average formations both are almost around that 8,400 to 8,420, because closing of this particular day is around 8,433. So in this belt, as per moving average and as per previous accumulation, we see in daily chart that if in case Nifty proceed further, then we may see a resistance around 8,420 to 8,400 level, and hence daily chart analysis tells us that that would be a level, whereas previous price resistance, if you can see, this Nifty had tested a resistance around this level. I'll just replot that level. This is a level wherein we have tested a resistance as well as support. So 8,294, so 8,294, so 8,300 level should act as a resistance or a support. So these two levels, if in case Nifty crosses this, then we will see 8,294, so 8,300 level. Once this crosses, then 8,420 can be achieved. So that way there will be around 120 point potential only if Nifty crosses 8,300 level, and that is what our analysis says. At present we are around 8,224, so there is still 75 point breakout level, but it's a handsome figure which is we see. So today, if in case Nifty crosses this 20 EMA, then 8,300, and if 8,300 level crosses, then 8,400. Reason for 8,300 is only and only price accumulation. Previous past resistance and support both were tested, so that is the reason. Whereas for 8,400, moving averages and price accumulation. So there are two reasons why 8,400 is more important than 8,300 level. So in my view, after 8,300 level or current graph, we see 8,400 would be a major level. Now in Nifty weekly chart, if you will understand, at this moment in weekly chart we can see that this is a 50 EMA, and this 50 EMA is actually placed at 8,235. So sorry, 8,263. So 8,263 level, once it is crosses, then 8,411 level. So again 8,400 is the important level. So 8,263, which we can see that we have written in as per a weekly chart, 8,263 level is important for average. Then after that 8,400 level will become important. Now if I'll just check with a 2 hourly chart which we are following, as per 2 hourly chart, yes, another resistance, that is 8275 level. So 8275 level is 100 EMA level, so 8275. So as per weekly chart and as per 2 hourly chart, 8275, 8263, and as per daily chart or as per price accumulation around 8300 levels. So in a way 8233, 8275 and 8300, rather 8290 level, which we have discussed in the past. Again, if I'll have to show you why 8290, as said, again I'll change it to daily chart so that you will know why I have said that. 8294, this is a level which we have plotted because of price resistance. So these levels are very crucial level: 8236, 8207, 8263, 8275, 8290. So once these three levels cross, then and only then we will see 8400 level. So at this moment we want a Nifty to cross rather a higher level, because everywhere we see there are resistance after a few points, after 8, 10 points. So unless Nifty crosses 8290, rather I'll make it as 8300 level. We should not think of going fresh long. If you are already long, then please continue. Just trail your stop loss with your 2 hourly chart, 20 EMA or 50 EMA. At present, I'll say that we should take a 50 EMA as our stop loss. So at this moment 8155 should be our stop loss, and continue with your long. And if in case this level reaches south, then you get out of the trade. So 8155 should be our stop loss for our trade, and we should participate in market. But these levels which I have shared with you should be considered as a level for profit booking. Now, in case those who have not taken any long position as of now, what they can do is they will have to wait for 8300 level to breach, because there are many resistance in between, and those resistance we have just discussed in the graph. So fresh new position can we can initiate only and only when 8300 level breaches with a target of 8400. So this would be our strategy for Nifty. Thank you very much, and wish you best of luck.